Hello everyone, I wanted to hop on here and have a quick unboxing of my brand new Snow White Once Upon a Time collection from Keep It Simple. So there are 12 patterns, there are 12 papers, and then there's also the same patterns in the 6x9, but the pattern are smaller. There's also a bonus sheet, and this is it. These are the same size as this, so they're not scaled down. Okay, let me show you these patterns real quick. I'm super excited about them. Okay, so this does have a somewhat of a gloss, smooth texture, but y'all, it stamps so well and cuts the same, and it doesn't bother me at all. So here is a nice, what would we call it? Kind of a diamond pattern with a beigey yellow background. And on the back side is Bambi. Isn't it cute? I like that it's small. And then here is a dark red, kind of a scarlet red, that looks almost like it has glitter gold on it. And then on the back is this really pretty navy blue background with Snow White and roses. And then this is kind of a creepy paper, right? It's got the apple and it's got like kind of a skull looking face on it because it was a poison apple she ate. And then this one is also looks like a gold, and it's just really a nice muted paper. All right, and then we have this kind of wallpaper-ish looking paper with hunter green, hunter avocado green, and it's got a bite out of that apple too. And on the back side is a fun Snow White and the Seven Dwarfs. It's really pretty. And then we have this. It's like a damask or a damask. And on the back is almost a tone on tone with the Seven Dwarfs. It's really pretty. And then this is probably my favorite. It's a tone on tone red. And on the back is, well, maybe it goes this way. It's got roses. And then there's the cut apart. Okay, stay till the end and I'll show you some photos of me dressed up as Snow White that I'm going to use. So you've seen the pattern, so I won't show you the 6x9. There's 18 sheets, so that means that there's 3 of each pattern. And we have a super cute stamp set and matching dies. So if you like to color your images, this is the stamp for you. And these stamps are such a high quality. Let me just open this up. These stamps pull off the carrier sheet just like a close to my heart stamp. And they're sticky and they make great impressions. And then I like that there is literally a die for every single stamp. Like there should be a die even for this little swirly thing. And the little diamond. Although I'm not for sure, it could have changed. This looks like it could be the swirly thing right here. And this one right here is this. I think there is. If there's not, it's really easy to fussy cut a small image, right? All right. Then we have page titles, which makes it really easy to make a scrapbook layout. It basically has a base and a title and some embellishments. And this will make 3 full-size page titles. So that is nice. I'll probably be using that on my layout. And then we have a whole package of embellishments, die cuts that are pre-colored and pre-cut. So if you're not into stamping, you can always use this. All right, let me show you my photos. So a few years ago where I worked, Halloween was a big deal, and each department would compete. And so my department was Snow White and the 6 Dwarfs. We didn't have 7 people, so they had marked out. And there's some other photos that have me and my coworkers, and I'm not going to include those photos on my design team layout because I don't have permission. But I thought I could still at least scrapbook me. I had a lot of fun, and I don't know if you can see, but I even have the little blue bird on my shoulder. I have an apple. It's a wooden apple from like Hobby Lobby. I'm wearing a wig, and then I got a dress. So I had a lot of fun, and so I'm excited to scrapbook this. I also that night went to our community's trunk or treat, and there was a little girl that was also dressed as Snow White, and her mom got a photo of the 2 of us, and it's so sweet. So I want to scrapbook that. And then when my daughter was 2, she was watching a lot of Disney movies, so this would have been in 1995, and so she had a Snow White themed birthday party that I've never scrapbooked. So that will also be used for, I will also be using this collection for those photos. So I'm excited to get started. I won't be making a process video from a design team layout. Sometimes I do try, but I find that they just take me a while. But I will be making some process videos with the other photos. So look, if you're not already subscribed, subscribe and sign up for notifications, and you'll know when I post them. All right, thanks for watching. Bye bye.